Can using Category 8 Ethernet cables make your internet faster? In this video, we are going to put this to the test. I'm going to be comparing the premium Category 8 cable with two cheap Category 6 cables which I purchased off Amazon. First of all, let's unbox the cables. Cable 1 is a very inexpensive Category 6 cable from Monoprice. Monoprice cables generally offer a terrific value for the money. In this experiment, we are using the Monoprice Category 6 cable to represent a basic, inexpensive cable. The quality of the cable feels decent, but it is certainly far from a premium cable. The second cable we will be testing is a more expensive Category 6 cable from MediaBridge. My initial impression when unboxing the cable was that it felt very similar to the Monoprice. Upon closer inspection, I did notice that the quality of the plugs just felt a little bit more solid than on the Monoprice. Last but not least, we have the Category 8 cable. As you can see, the Category 8 cable is actually rated for up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth. It also uses a special shielded RJ45 connector. The shielding inside the cable gives it a much different feel than that of the Category 6 cable. Now we will begin testing the cables. I will be using speedtest.net for the testing. My internet connection is generally good for about 850 megabits per second download and 54 megabits per second upload. First, we will test the Monoprice Category 6 cable. Next, we have the slightly more expensive MediaBridge Category 6 cable. Last but not least, we will test the Category 8 cable. So what was the outcome of our experiment? Unsurprisingly, on a 1 gigabit home network, the Category 8 cable did not perform any better than either of the Category 6 cables. As it turns out, any Category 5E cable or higher is certified for speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second at distances up to 100 meters or 328 feet. This is a strict specification outlined by the TIA EIA 568 standard. This specification is a rigorous standard which is designed for stability and performance in enterprise networks. So what does this mean for the average home user? It means don't waste your money on anything higher than Category 6. Cat 6 can support speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. This is about 100 times faster than the average broadband connection in North America. If you got value out of this video, please consider dropping a like.